So about our trigonometric questions, they say that QRS is a horizontal ground and then Q is vertically below P. This is a keyword, especially in paper 1. Is ensure that uh, P projection to the plane is Q. Otherwise, you need to find the vertically downward point. And then they give us some angle, 47 degree, 53 degree, and also 120 degree. And our target is to find out this angle. This is our final target. In order to find out this angle, you must use the plane including this angle. So we are talking about this plane. So set up the strategy first, PRS. In order to find this angle, we need to set our length first because they don't mention any length. In other words, that means no matter what is the length, then the answer should be consistent, the same. It's because the shape is already locked by the angles here. You may just simply assign PQ is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. You may use H for more general purpose, but just simply use 1 give you great convenience in calculation. So to know about 1 and 47 degree right angle triangle, so you know everything about triangle PRQ here. So we can get PR. Similar reason, we can get PS also. Not only this, you can get RQ and QS so that you have all the information you need for the horizontal plane, and then you can get RS by using cosine formula. So we can find out all three sides. That's why after this we can use cosine formula to trace back what is the corresponding theta here. To start our calculation, the first length we need to consider is PR, so we consider the corresponding plane. So we draw the 2D diagram with P, Q, and R. This is 47 degree, and then this we assign it to 1. So PR is equal to 1 divided by sine 47 degree. RQ is 1 divided by tangent 47 degree. Similar reason, we are going to consider this plane. So this plane we have P, we have Q, we have S, 53 degree, and 1. So this is 1 divided by sine 53 degree, while QS is 1 divided by tangent 53 degree. So we have two information here, which is 1 divided by sine 47 degree and 1 divided by sine 53 degree. Finally, we also need to find out how long is QS, so another plane. Again, we need to draw properly. Q, this is R, this is S, 120 degree, and then RQ, we already know this is 1 divided by tangent 47 degree. QS, we also know from the green plane, this is 1 over tangent 53 degree. And then our target is RS, so we consider RS square is equal to I will strongly suggest you to make good use of the memory slot. I will assign this one be A, this one be B, and then I will use A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine 120 to get the answer. And then I get 2.1401, something like that. And then only 3 significant figure is definitely not enough because cosine function is quite sensitive in some region. So make sure you use your memory slot, and then we can approach to the final step. rs squared is equal to this length square plus this length square. And then minus 2. So now this one, you may put it in memory slot C and D to facilitate your calculation. Cosine theta is equal to this item. So cosine theta is 0.3788666, something like that. So theta is equal to 67.7 degrees. So we choose C as the answer.